Hello everyone. So today's going to be the last video for a while on linear equations. This is pretty much the most complicated kind of linear equation, the final boss, if you will. Um, in the past, we looked at solving linear equations of the form. So I'm just going to write this out. Previously, we solved linear equations of the form ax equals b and a plus x equals b. So these are the two fundamental types of linear equations that we solved. Now we will combine both methods to solve ax plus b equals c. All right, so I'll just say remember that for a plus x equals b, what you did was you subtracted a from both sides and you got x equals b minus a. If you don't remember that video, I'll put the link in the description below. I made a whole video on it a while back. Also, for ax equals b, well, it's kind of just a one step as well. You divide by a on both sides and you get x equals b over a, or b divided by a. Yeah, I have a video for that too. I'll link it below. Anyways, we're going to put these two methods together and we'll start with just a nice clean example. So combine our methods. For the final type. So linear equations, you see they built. We learned two kind of similar shorter methods. Now we're going to learn a more complicated one that uses the building blocks we unlocked on our simpler methods. That's how math is in general. It always builds. Your knowledge always builds. So for example, we have 2x plus 9 equals 15. Okay. In this situation, that's our A, that's our B, that's our C. All right. So step 1, subtract 9 from both sides of the equal sign. That was our method for a plus x equals b as well. You subtract a from both sides. So subtract 9 from both sides. What you end up with, let's go, 2x plus 9 minus 9 equals 15 minus 9. Well, what's 9 minus 9? That's 0. 2x plus 0, what's 15 minus 9 is 6. So you get 2x equals 6. I'm just simplifying. Okay, step 2, divide both sides by the coefficient of x. That would be 2 by 2. So that's the form ax equals b now. You see it's really not that different than anything we've done so far. Just one extra step. We're combining the two. So 2x divided by 2, 6 divided by 2. The 2's cancel. You end up with x is 6 divided by 2. Therefore, x equals, well, 6 divided by 2 is 3. That's our answer. So it's 2 steps. So you start by subtracting 9 from both sides. And you divide both sides by 2 for 2x plus 9 equals 15. Let's do another example. Let me think here. Let's try 3x, coming up with these on the spot. 3x plus 8 equals, I don't even know, 15. Again, I'm getting lazy. Either way, Subtract 8 from both sides. 3x plus 8 minus 8 equals 15 minus 8. 3x, that's 0. 8 minus 8. 3x equals what's 15 minus 8? I think it's 7. X equals, well, divide both sides by 3. You get 7 over 3. It's not going to become a whole number this time because 3 does not divide 7. So we'll leave it as a fraction. Let's try 5x plus 9 equals 29. So subtract 9 from both sides. Oh, let's not be so lazy. 5x plus 4 equals 24. Okay, well, let's subtract 4 from both sides. You get 5x plus 4 minus 4 equals 24 minus 4. 5x equals 20. Well, that's pretty simple. Divide both sides by 5. You get x equals 4. That's our answer. All right. Hopefully this makes sense. So in general, I always say in general, what do we do for all these questions? In general, for linear equations of the form ax plus b equals c, step 1, subtract b from both sides. Step 2, divide the results, divide both sides of the result of 1, divide them both by the coefficient of x. That'll be a. So therefore you will always obtain x equals b, or c minus b divided by a. That's the general form. Anyways, it's easier to just look at examples. Hopefully this helps, and thank you for watching.